Hi guys, what's up? So, today I'm bringing to you a keyboard that I built entirely from the Aliexpress. Well, except by the keycaps that I cheated on this part, but I will get there. So, and the question that remains is it worth it? Let's get into the build process and see what happens. But before that, please subscribe to see more content like that and hit the like button. YouTube need to understand that's a good video to recommend to other people. Thank you. So, first, as you can see, the unbox is pretty simple, but the keyboard comes very well boxed, no scratches and covered by the plastic bubble and a piece of paper, separating the screws, the keyboard fits and tools. The vendor sent me a brass plate as a gift. Once I bought a polycarbonate plate and it was out of stock. Thanks so much for that Escape keycap store. It helped me to achieve the incredible sound profile, which is oops, no spoiler for now. For the switches, I choose the Ago Green Blue V3, a very smooth tactile switches from Ago, and I lubed them with Crytox G205G0 as usual. The stabilizers that I chose also was from Ago. They are screw-in and I have wholly mod them and lubed with Crytox G205G0 and Permatex at the wires. The PCB that I chose was the most classic PCB into this hobby, the GH60. It's the 88KB and WKL version. It's south-facing and totally compatible with V and KMK software, and have RGB per key and an underglow RGB. Well, I also put a PE phone between the PCB and the plate. It helped me to achieve a clean sound. Also, I made a tape mod putting 2 layers of masking tape to get a deeper sound. To the case, I made a force break mod, which consists in to put some layers of masking tape into the case to remove the ping sound, the metal sound, you know what it is, right? And I also decided to add a layer of AVA fluorine to help with the sound dampening once I felt that was a bit hollow. For the keycaps, come on guys, this keyboard's color combination of the brass plate and the navy blue of the case back to the GMK Blue Samurai keycaps. Remember in the start of the video when I said that I cheated with the keycaps? Well, that's what I was talking for. The entire set cost more than all the keyboard, but when I saw the color combinations I remembered that the GMK Blue Samurai. But it is what it is, right? I promise that I will make a video with all the keyboard parts of the Aliexpress, if you guys want it, of course. The build process is very simple, as you could saw, but how it sounds, let's jump into the sound test. Well, I have to be honest. I spent a bit more than expected, $114, but hey, I really loved the final result, and to me it seems comparing with the Keychron Q4 Barry Bond version, which costs $125, a better choice. I prefer to spend a more $50 and build this project. And the sound, dude, it sounds so good. One of the best keyboard sounds that I built so far. Well, that's all I have in mind for this project. Thank you all for coming so far. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to let your like, subscribing the channel, comment and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.